د امریکا د ټیکساس ایالت آستن ښار دی. په دغه ځای کې دغه یو سړی دی. دا په دې ښار کې په ګنټو لګیا وي، سندرې وایي، ډانس کوي. موسم که یخ وي که ګرمه، دته هېڅ فرق نه پرېوځي. او له کلونو راهیسې لګیا دی. اول خو له 10 کلونو راهیسې په دې ښار کې زه ګورم. راځئ چې یو څو خبرې ورسره وکړو چې څه وایي. اوکې، ما جیمز راوستلو دلته څنګ ته. جیمز نو ستا اورو چې دی څو ګنټې دلته ډانس کوي، څو ورځې په کال کې. James, how often do you do this?
I started on South first in Barton Springs. This is my second year here.
Second
2023.
Okay.
When I officially started being over on.
And how
South.
many hours do you do dance here every day?
7 to 10 hours a day.
7 to 8 hours.
7 to 10 hours a day.
7 to 10 hours a day. And how many days a year?
300 days a year.
300 days. And what do you eat for that? To get that energy?
I do a lot of more grains, which would be more rice, noodles, a lot of greens.
And you say you do a lot of fasting too?
And I do, at least 3 to 4 days of fasting each week.
Oh, wow.
Just because my body needs the cleansing.
And how do you deal with the weather?
I basically dress accordingly. Plus, I have spray off when I'm directly with the sun. I usually spray myself down. Plus, I come out with about 10 bottles of water and tea.
Okay.
Combination of water and tea.
How much do you sleep for that?
At least a good 8 to 9 hours.
8 to 9 hours.
Yes.
Do you do work?
This is my calling. This is my job. This is my work.
How do you make money from it?
This has opened doors and opportunities economically for me.
What do you mean there's doors open?
Economically, I'm a brand, so of
Oh,
course,
you're a brand.
Yes.
Okay.
Economic, yes, brand. I'm a brand. I broke up Rumber. You
Yeah. Keep talking.
So you remember when I was on Rumber?
Yes, 10 years ago.
That time when I was on Rumber was business. You know what I'm saying? I didn't just become like the regular guy on the corner. I became a part of the business of Rumber. I was working with Asian people. I was working with, and this was money. This ain't just, dude, I had brand deals. You know, I turned down a Nike deal.
Can you name some of the brands?
I turned down a Nike deal.
Which one?
Nike.
Okay.
I turned down a Nike deal in 2012.
Okay.
And
do you work out too? Do you work out?
Well, you know, my fitness that I do here is pretty much built in.
Right, I don't think you need more workout, but do you do?
Because, the dancing is basically exercise.
Okay.
Because, I mean, I looked up to people who basically were doing exercise videos. So, basically, what I'm doing is exercise and dance. It's not just dance, it's exercise and dance. So, it's built in. The dancing and the exercise are one.
Last question. What do people think about you? What do they say about you?
Now I'm a part of Austin. What it means be weird. Keep Austin weird.
No, when people see you, what do they think? What have you heard from people? Do they say you're amazing, you can do it?
Basically, they see me as a legend.
As a legend?
As a legend, an Austin legend.
Austin legend.
As a part of Austin, Texas.
Okay, just last thing. Say you are Facebook, Instagram, so people can follow you.
Cornelius Running Man James on
How do you
Facebook.
spell that?
CORNELIUS Running Man James on Facebook. My Instagram is I believe it's Running Man USA 58 or at Running Man USA 58. And you can also YouTube. You can put in Running Man of Austin.
Okay.
Or Rumber Running Man. It'll show you all the videos.
All right, thank you very much, brother. Thank you. And you are absolutely amazing. I don't think I can stay outside here like even for 30 minutes.
Wow.
You're amazing. Thank you,
so
brother.
much.
Thank you for your time.
All right.
Bye.